What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? Welcome to the Uncomfortable Lifestyle channel. All right, I'm your man Key, and today we are in the kitchen. We in the kitchen with it. I'm about to start, chefing up for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to throw down in the kitchen. All right. When this generation and this time, when inflation is so high, food prices is high, $15 for a meal. We gotta learn how to cook in the house. We gotta learn how to cook in the house, all right? Some of y'all don't know how to cook. I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Now I know how to cook. The man above put me in a nice household, nice family where my mom throw it down, my grandma throw it down. So I always ate good. So of course, since I always ate good, I know how to cook because food gotta taste good. So I'm gonna show y'all how to really get down in the kitchen. I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken today. All right. I'm gonna make some big barbecue chicken for y'all, just to ease y'all into things. I'm gonna ease y'all in nice and easy. Alright? So we about to get to it and I'm gonna show y'all how we about to get it done. Let's get it. Alright, so first and foremost, me personally, I gotta cook with some sort of thing. I need some wine or some liquor. I don't know, man. It make me feel I feel in the flow of things, when I got something. So today we got that Grand Cormiano. That's that Kevin Hart stuff. I probably said it wrong. Grand Carmino. Carmino? Grand Carmina. Whatever. It's that Kevin Hart. Support that man. So I'm about to pour me up a cup, glass, and let's get it. Let's get it, alright? So let me show y'all what I got going on. We got the chicken. So we got chicken. We got that Tyson's chicken. I thawed it out. Let's get it cooked up. All the chickens in here. Hopefully get it all in here. Hey, come on, get out. Get out. Come on. So we got some chickens right there. I'm gonna throw some cold water on that. I'm gonna throw some cold water on there. I like just rinse it off real quick. Try to get all the blood out. Rinse it off, get all the blood. I bet. Cool. So now, got some sea salt. Get some sea salt in there. The salt kills the bacteria, so at least that's what I'm told. To be honest, I wouldn't know why I do it. I think this is just what I was told to do by my mom and my nana, so I just do that. Bam. So we add some sea salt into it. I got some lemon juice. You gotta add some lemon juice in there too. Lemon juice kill it. Come on now, y'all know y'all put lemon in your eye, it's gonna burn. So we're gonna throw some lemon on there. Yeah. A nice amount, a good amount on there. I probably ODing with the cleaner, but of course I'm gonna throw some vinegar in there too. Just to make sure that joint gonna be clean and it's gonna be good, fresh. Nice little splash in there. Good, nice. So now I don't got no gloves. Hold on. All right, so we got some black gloves here. I got fat hands. I swear, it'd be hard. It'd be hard to get it in the gloves. All right, so now we just gonna move them around like that. Make sure it's touched up. Clean that draw. These are wings, so you really don't gotta cut nothing. You don't gotta cut the fat off on the wings. If it was like the breast or like a thigh, I would have probably cut off some of the fat, but these are wings. They're good. We'll take it how they are. Yeah, I really thought this was more wings though. I ain't gonna lie. All right, so now pour that out. Get some more cold water on there. Just clean that all up. Make it get good. Make it get good. And while I do that, I'm gonna get another bowl to actually put this chicken in. So I'm just rinsing that off. Grab this bowl, throw it in there. Just throw it in that bowl. You know, it just makes me feel like I'm cleaning it, you know. Switch it out from the dirty one. So look. So now we got clean chicken. Now this is really like the best part right here. Like, this is really the best part. So now you about to just season this up. Come on, man. You have to season this up all types of crazy. So look, we got that paprika, you know. Yo, I don't know why, but paprika really one of my favorite things. I don't even know really what it is, but I just put that shit in everything. You got that complete seasoning. You need this. It really like completes the deal, man. The seasoning is so clutch. It's so good too. So I'm gonna pour some of that up in there. You know, just pour it up all crazy, you know. Because you really want this to be seasoned. You want it to be seasoned. You see how I'm going heavy on it. I'm not going light. I ain't going skimp. All right? I'm not skimping it. Don't skip the seasoning. Put some garlic on it. You see that? That's a healthy portion of seasoning. It's the #1 rule, man. I don't want to come to your house and you under season your food. I want that to season. I want to taste it. Like, dang, you put your foot in that. We got some adobo. Got some adobo. I'm gonna throw that in there. Yeah, it looked type crazy. I ain't gonna lie. It looked like, dang, that's too much. Nah, I'm telling you, it's just enough. Shoot, it might not even be enough. It still might be a little under seasoned. Get some black pepper in there. You got some black pepper. Get some black pepper in there. Black pepper is always that's just something you add to everything. Like, you just gonna add the black pepper in there. Hey, and if y'all hear that, that's the oven going off. I preheated the oven to 400. Y'all should do that. All right, get done early. Get out the way. We got the garlic. What else? So, I ain't gonna lie. My first time going to Trader Joe's, I found this in Trader Joe's. Now, I'm not really like a salsa. Like, I don't eat this with chips, but like I do put it on like my chicken. Like, I feel like it's like a good base marinade. It smells so good too. Like, I feel like it's like a good like marinade. So I'm just gonna take like 2 scoops and just throw it in here. You know, and corn is good too. I really like corn. So, you know, barbecue. I feel like barbecue go good with corn. Any type of corn. So, we're going to put that in there a little bit. So, I'm going to add some oregano in there. We'll just finish the bottle, really. I like oregano. You know, you got to have some green, earthly stuff in there, you know. Some green, earthly stuff. I didn't have too much adobo left, so I'm going to just add some dash. It's salt-free, actually, so adobo is more like salt. So we just gonna add some of this in there. Bam, that's flavorful. It's gonna be popping. It's gonna be popping. I'm telling you, that people gonna love it. Cause I know my mom and my steppops, they gonna love it. They gonna love it. So you know, we got that. You gotta have that sweet baby raised too. You gotta have that sweet baby raised. I don't know if this man is black. I hope he is black. To me, I feel like he gotta be black. I don't know about y'all. So now I'm just gonna pour some on here. Yeah, we're not gonna do the whole bottle. We're not gonna do the whole bottle, but a good amount. We're not gonna do the whole bottle because we're gonna put some on later. So that's a good amount right there. So now I wanted honey barbecue. So we're gonna add some honey to that. So we're making some honey barbecue. So we're just gonna add some honey to that jar. Throw some onions in here. I cut up some onions, not too many. I'm just gonna throw those onions, all the onions in here. This gives it a good taste. Some minced garlic in here. Minced garlic is like just another good touch to basically anything that you cook. Just a good touch. Another glove on. Ow. See, I got fat hands. I can't get it on. Yeah. Must be like OJ. He ain't do it, right? Say no. I really don't know. I don't know. Ooh. Alright. It's good enough. Still got some air bubbles. So now we're just gonna mix everything up now. Season it all up. Get that chicken seasoned. Get that, you know. Mix it all up now. Hey. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm dropping stuff out the bowl. Small bowl. Now this one smells so good. Even though it's like raw chicken, it still smells good. All right, so this is good for me. That's good. Bam. Bam. Nice and easy. Ooh. Glove off. Clean. All right, so I got 2 pans. I'm gonna throw some foil paper on that, John. Nice, easy cleanup, you know. At least easier cleanup. If my chicken is just stick. I gotta do this a lot better because I done ran through like 3 gloves already. And I ain't buying them either, so I'm gonna start buying them back. So now we got the chicken right here. Yeah, it looks so good even when it's not cooked. So we're just gonna throw them in here. Bad. We got the oven set on 400 degrees. So now I'm gonna get rid of this glove. Now, take them over in the oven. Bam. Bam. Those look good. Throw them in there. We're gonna throw them in there. I ain't gonna lie. I made a big mess doing all of this. So now I'm gonna clean. All right? Clean in the middle. It makes cleaning after a lot easier. You clean right now, all right? Also, if your seasoning cabinet don't look like this, then you're not cooking right. You need to have the variety. You need options. We need options, all right? Make sure y'all got options. You know, it's deep in there. It's deep. Nice and crispy. So I left it a little longer. I did turn it halfway, so each side can get that nice crisp look on top. Real good. Now this is where I say you add a little bit more barbecue sauce to that. A little more barbecue. I mean, depending on how you like your barbecue chicken. I'm gonna do that one a little bit less. I'll do this one a little bit more. Real barbecue-y. And then now, I'm just gonna mix that up. Okay, we're done. So we got here our 2 barbecue chickens. This one right here just has a little bit more sauce than this one right here. So let's see. Let's get a look on the inside. See how the insides look. You know, look at that. It's looking real good. We like that. We like how that looks. It looks just like falling off the bone. So I'm really about to smack that. This one. Yeah. Nice and cooked. Looks real soft. Now I'm about to go crazy. Let's see. Hold on, let me taste this. That's cool. All right, y'all. So like I said, I just provided y'all with some smacking barbecue chicken that you can make at home. You don't gotta go to no Longhorn Steakhouse, no rib shacks, no barbecue place. I mean, you could just do it at home. You know, fall off the bone right here. Right. Hey man, that's even better. This is way better than if I would have went out. Hey, it took some time, but I baked it. It's healthier. It's cleaner. I cooked it. I know it's good. And man, we about to really enjoy this. And barbecue sauce, tough. Barbecue, honey barbecue, tough. I do like the one more with the more barbecue sauce. I like it barbecuey. But yeah, besides that, man, hey, thank you for tuning in to Key's Kitchen. You know, I'm just trying to help y'all get more in the kitchen, cook some good food for the little ones, the family. You know, whenever you got outings. You know, so I'm always gonna throw down. Y'all should start throwing down. Let me know if y'all make this, and let me know how it comes out. Subscribe to the channel so I can know. Subscribe and like, you know, comment. Let me know if y'all want me to make like any other things. I make like mac and cheese. My mac and cheese fire. I really make anything. I ain't gonna lie. I can make anything. I might look at the directions like once. I might go on YouTube like this. Go look at it, and I cook it fire. Or sometimes I just be doing whatever, find something in the house, I just chef shine up in the house. I don't know why I'm holding on to this chicken bone like that, but it's really good though. So y'all better go get you some. Go get you some of that chicken wings and go chef it up. I bet you the fam gonna be real happy and they're gonna be like, dang, I know that you can do that. It do come at a cost though. It do come at a cost. Everybody will be asking you to cook every time that you pop up at family events. So just be ready. All right? I'm giving y'all some good power, but with a lot of power, a lot of responsibility comes with it. So y'all enjoy. Y'all have a good day. Y'all take care. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know. Thank you for tuning in to Key's Kitchen. Hey, y'all take care. Love y'all. Peace.